Hey, so if the Google Gravity page is not opening for you, yeah, that can be frustrating. Sometimes it just stays blank or loads like a normal page. But don't worry. I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step. First, make sure you're opening the correct version of Google Gravity. It doesn't work on the normal Google homepage. You need the version created by Mr. Doob. Just search Google Gravity Mr. Doob and open the correct link. Now, this is important. Instead of pressing enter, click I'm feeling lucky. Yeah, that's what loads the working version. If the page still doesn't open, your browser might have JavaScript turned off. And yeah, this trick needs JavaScript to run. So go to Settings, find Site Settings or Privacy, and make sure JavaScript is enabled. Another common issue: browser extensions. Ad blockers or script blockers can prevent the page from loading. Try turning them off temporarily, then reload the Gravity page. If it's still not opening, yeah, try using a different browser. Some browsers don't support the script properly. You can use Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox for better results. And finally, clear your browser cache and cookies. Sometimes old data can block the page from opening. After clearing it, reload the page and try again. So, yeah, that's how you fix the Google Gravity page not opening. One of these steps should solve the problem quickly. Try them out and see which one works for you.